Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the updated way on how to fix Minecraft connection lost, internal exception, connection reset. So let's begin. So here we are. So if you're dealing with this issue right now, then I have the solution for you to solve this one. And as you can see, I am using Minecraft 1.18.1, but you can use this in any Minecraft version. It mostly works on any Minecraft version because this is just more of a general fix. Because if you're having trouble with your connection, it's most likely that there is something wrong with your computer, and less likely to be very specific regarding Minecraft. So what we're gonna do first is that we are going to go into our start menu, and from here we're gonna type network, and from here you're gonna click here on network status. So from here, what you're gonna do when you're here in the network status settings is click here on network and sharing center. And once you click here, you want to click here under the internet so that this is the Wi-Fi name that you have. So if you have an Ethernet, it should appear right here, and click on it. And from here, we're going to go click here on priorities next. And from here, we're going to find the IPv4 or Internet Protocol version 4 right here. And once you have done it, select it. Once you select it, you want to go click here on properties. So once you click on properties, you want to make sure that you use the following DNS server addresses right here. So you have two choices. If you would want to follow this one, this is also a good one for you to test out, and you want to type 111 right here and 1001, and you want to click on OK and see if that works for you. But if not, then I suggest you go for this one, which is 888 and 8 right here. And this one would be also 8, 8, and 4, 4. Just like that. And you want to test this out if this one works for you. So either of the two should work for you right there. And after that, you want to click on OK. But in my case, I'll just go cancel because the 111 is working for me. So once you've done that, then you want to click here on OK right here and close everything. And you want to go again and test it out in your Minecraft if it's working. So if it's not working, then it's most possibly that you want to check your router and see if your internet connection is working fine right there. So if you have problems, so you want to go into your browser and test it out in your in any speed test that is measures your internet connection speed, and then you want to make sure that it is working right here. And you want to test out any applications because most likely it's the router or it's the internet service itself that is causing you a problem. And if everything is good with your internet and you have done this step completely and correctly, then we can proceed to the next one and see if the problem would be solved with our next step. So our next step would be going into our start menu again, and from here you want to type cmd. And you want to open up your command prompt and run as administrator. So you can right click this or you can click here on run as administrator. So run it as administrator, and once it's done, then this should pop up right here. So what you're going to type first is ipconfig, just like that, ipconfig / release, just like that, and you want to hit enter. And you want to wait for it to finish, and then you want to type this again, ipconfig / flush DNS without space. So you want to type this and hit enter, and then it's done. Then the next thing is ipconfig again, ipconfig / then renew, just like that, and you want to hit enter. And as you can see, no operation can be performed on Ethernet and so on, but you just have to wait for it, and this would appear right here. And just like that, your problem now has been solved.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.